Hey guys, it's me, the Gamer here, and I'm here with a new game. It's called Solder.Inc. I just went through the tutorial, and yeah, so this is where you train your troops, and I don't know what that is yet. This is your construction. You could do all the military, defense, improvement, expansion, command, resources. Yeah, so yeah. Let me zoom out. Oh, oops. So let's go here. Train. Don't got enough resources, bro. So let's see. Anything new? No. For stuff. Let's see. Break a local smuggler out of SVG custody. Destroy a cellular relay station. Nope. So let's see here. Nothing. Do I got oil yet? No. I do got munitions. This is where all my oil rig is. This is my landing platform, and this is my munitions factory. Oh, just got some oil. No, I don't want you. That. Allow.
What if I don't want to play with you every day? You always want to play with me every day.
So I just need to log in every day.
I always have to play with you.
Hi. You want there? Huh. So let's see. Nope, nothing. Nope. Click the units icon on the right side menu and click the light infantry menu. Select 2 sappers and click purchase. Let's see. Don't want to waste that. So let's see. Command HQ base. Nope. Let's see here. Nope, I don't want that. I need more fuel.
Are you talking about your video?
I need fuel to get an oil rig, okay? Let's see here. A festive tank, Mr. Claus HQ, Rat Sam, Tinsel Tent, Fire Tree, Santa's Chopper. Okay then. Let's see. Oop, I don't want that. So, let's see here. I think I gotta leave this episode here. Got new design of your no. Gosh dang it, man. Yeah, I'm gonna leave this episode here, guys. See you guys next time. Bye.